Okay, it is time to look inside the magical container. You can see it's got some holes in it and a big old tube. So, let's open it up and take a look inside. Still have not found equipment that I can use besides my iPad. Hi, everybody. So I do everything one-handed because I have to hold my iPad. Yay. Anyway, holes inside, let water in. Yeah. The bottom of the container is deeper than the pump intake, so that yes, it'll fill with water, but if muck gets in, it won't get up to the intake holes, which are like running that first lip by the wire that goes across there. Put some wood in there to keep it from sliding around inside the container. Put a wire to keep it from flipping over, so that this, even if it gets kicked or bumped down in the bottom of the hole and working, shouldn't tip over the pump inside the container. That's the theory. The important part of this is, as long as that moves freely, when the water gets that deep, then the pump will kick on and squirt out all the water that is in the hole, including the rest of the hole down there. So I get like 3 or 4 inches, and boom, suck. Water will get sucked into the container as it gets pumped, and everything will be good. You can adjust the depth you want with a little thing right there. So I'll probably adjust that as I go forward. But other than that, right now all I have to do, put that lid back on. I'll wait till after the video. But I'm going to take that end of the pipe. We're going to go inside here. We are going to set it down on the edge. I'm going to run the pipe through that hole that's already taking water out from the drain in the gutter and taking it outside. So I'm going to take that, the pump is designed for 25 feet lift, and that's only about 6. So I think I'll be fine with it. It's not going to be a problem. I don't have to go through the mud hole that's right there, which I've piled mud on the other side of the wall to keep water out. So that can stay nice and barricaded, and the water that's inside here will get sucked out that hole, and that pipe will take it to the other side of the garage. And if it doesn't, then I've got even more pipe, which I was using with the other pump, so that can go on the end of that if need be, and take it pretty much all the way out of the yard. So that's a good thing. Okay, my neighbor will be over there going, why is there a fountain coming through from that fence? You know, that fence way over there. Anyway, that's fine. That's where I'm at. I'm going to get the rest of this done and get it going, and then we'll show a final result. Yay!